How did you learn how to rehab a house? That's a good question. Very slowly. So we did not take on our first rehab project until we had 20 properties. So our 21st property was a full rehab, and I didn't know anything about it. I had never done it before. I just talked to a bunch of contractors, walked it with several contractors. I had them quote it. I didn't go with the cheapest quote, but I also didn't go with the most expensive. I used a general contractor, so I just wanted to use one person for everything rather than try to do the general contracting part myself. I would say at this point, like slowly, just kind of one project at a time. I don't think I definitely, there's no thinking about it. I definitely don't have the skills to do all of this work myself. However, I have a rudimentary understanding of how things are done and in what order they should be done. I really don't think it is hard to learn, but I also think it's imperative that you have somebody that you trust kind of holding your hand for the first several, probably the first 10. And when I say someone holding your hand, I just mean like a general contractor that is able to kind of guide you through it. And you will make mistakes and you will lose some money and you will do things in the wrong order. And that's kind of to be expected, right? So a friend of mine called this business tuition. You could either pay a school to teach you, or you could go out there and make mistakes in real life, and they're going to cost about the same. Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.